My name is Sidi Mwambula. I'm in a BSN program here at Galen College of Nursing at Dallas. I'm going to talk about the labs and the simulations. So the labs have really prepared me for outside world in a great way, because I get to do hands-on skills that whenever I go outside and I'm meeting the real patients, I'm able to do the right thing, and the care is of the top notch. So I am grateful for my professors in the labs because they teach me the best way, give me the best skills, as well as the simulations. That one acts like the real hospital base. So really it has helped me together with the other students. So we're in a great position here. We love Galen.